Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Mr. V, the architect. Today we are looking at how to use text in AutoCAD. Go to annotation. Here we have text, multi-line text, then first point and the second point. Here you can put any text that you want. Let's make it Mr. V, the architect. We can select all of them. We can change the scale from here. Let's make it 0.5, and also we can change the text from here, text type, and we can make it bold, and let's make a line. Let's make it like this, or the shortcut is T, then press space and the first point and the second point, and here you can make it whatever you want.